You are the master of your fate. Let's begin. Listen to me very carefully. If you wake up each morning already exhausted, if your work feels like a cage, and you've told yourself, I can't leave, not yet, then you, my friend, are in exactly the right place. Because today, I'm not here to tell you to quit your job. I'm here to show you how to reclaim your power before you walk out the door. Most people don't hate their job. They hate how powerless they feel in it. And I'm going to give you one assignment that will flip that on its head, starting this week. It's simple, it's real, and it works. You think the job is the problem. Maybe it's the boss, the coworkers, the pay, the long hours. And sure, that's part of it. But the core of the misery, it's the belief that you're stuck, that this is it, and it'll never change. The moment you believe that, you become a background character in your own life. But let me remind you of something that too many people forget. Your attitude is your assignment. Your job is just a place. Your work is becoming the person who can thrive anywhere. This week, we shift the power back to you. Starting tomorrow morning, you're going to start a 1-week challenge I call the Power Reframe Plan. It's 5 workdays of mindset transformation, not by force, but by focus. You don't need a new job to be powerful. You just need a new lens. Here's exactly what to do step by step. Before you walk into work, take 5 minutes. That's all, just 5. On paper or your phone, write these 4 prompts and answer them honestly. 1. One thing I can control today is. 2. One skill I'll practice today is. 3. One small act of self-respect I'll take today is. And then write this line. This job is not my end. It's my training ground. Do that every morning for 5 days. You're not waiting for change. You're becoming the change. Quietly, deliberately, powerfully. Now here's where it gets interesting. Choose one person at work, maybe someone you dislike, that one who drains your energy. Ask yourself, what is this person teaching me about patience, leadership, or boundaries? If I were their mentor instead of their victim, how would I grow them? Sounds strange? Good. That means it's working. This shifts your mindset from reactive to proactive, from powerless to purposeful. Do this reflection privately. 2-3 sentences. Every day, different person. At the end of each day, take 2 minutes. Write down, 1. What drained me today? 2. How did I respond? And finish with, even here I am rising. Because you are. You're no longer just enduring. You're observing. You're growing. You're training. If you want to go further, and I recommend it, record a 30-second voice of yourself every morning saying this. I'm becoming the kind of person who handles any job with excellence, energy, and clarity. This job doesn't define me, I define it. And nothing, no one, no circumstance will hold me small. Then play it back before you leave for work, every day. Do you see what's happening? You're not waiting on the world to change. You're changing your frequency, and the world will catch up. Most people won't do this. Why? Because they're waiting for something big to happen first. A promotion, a lucky break, a dramatic exit. But what if I told you, the people who get those moments, they already started changing, internally, quietly, when no one was watching. They stopped complaining. They started reframing. And because of that, they stopped being stuck. So if you want to know how to thrive in a job you hate, this is how. You start building the mind that can't be broken, even in a broken environment. Let me leave you with this truth. The man who masters himself in the place he despises becomes unstoppable in the place he desires. So don't wait until conditions change. Make the decision today. No matter where I stand, I rise. Start the assignment. 5 days, morning, midday, night. And then come back and tell me if you feel different. You will, because the change won't be in the job. It will be in you. Remember, your success begins the moment you decide to act.